Welcome to my first video on the channel. Today we're going to be installing some carbon fiber mirror caps. I picked up these from Auto ID and we're going to be installing them on my BMW M2. Let's get these unboxed and put on the car. Along with the mirror caps, I also picked up some tinted indicator lights, which were $86. With these, I think it completed the final look I was going for. There are many mirror cap options out there on the market, but I always came back to Auto ID. I picked up these for $383, which were well below the options we have here in Australia. And for shipping, it was $69, bringing a total of $538. To start the disassembly of your mirrors, you do have to take off the front glass. This is probably the most daunting part. You first want to angle the mirror all the way up so you're able to fit in a pry tool underneath it. Eventually, with enough force going around, you'll be able to clip off the mirror. Now you do have to be careful because there are two wires connected to the mirror. You can either take them out or do what I've done and just left it there hanging. Next, to get the mirror cap out, there are 3 clips around the housing of the mirror. I found it best to use pliers to unclip these. Once you have these unclipped, make sure you have a firm grip on the mirror cap, otherwise you'll end up like me with the mirror cap flying off. Here's what these clips look like, and they came out really easily. Next up, we're going to loosen the bottom half of the mirror to fit in the new indicator. This is held in by 4 screws. You've got 3 at the back and 1 at the front. Also, make sure you note down where these screws came from because they are different sizes. Once you have these screws out, the bottom half should be loose and you'll be able to wiggle out the indicator. Be careful because the cable is very short connecting the indicator. The cable is held in by a clip and you basically just have to wiggle it free. When installing the new indicator, make sure you push the cable all the way in and you'll hear a clip like this. Once you've done these steps, we basically just have to do everything in reverse now. I will admit, fitting the indicator back into its housing was a pain, but once you got everything lined up, you're all good to go. And you can use your other mirror as a reference. Now you just have to screw everything back together, making sure you use the right screws in the right locations. Now to install the new mirror caps, as you can see it uses the exact same clips as the OEM mirror cap. You just want to line these clips up with the mirror housing, and once you do, give it a firm push and you'll hear some clicks. Now onto the last piece of the puzzle, putting the glass back into the mirror housing. There are 4 clips that hold the glass into the housing. My advice is to use distributed pressure when pushing the mirror back in. When you're doing this, you'll hear some god-awful clicks, but don't worry, this is completely fine. After this, I just gave it a quick wipe down because I left so many fingerprints on it, and that's the installation complete. Here's a before shot, what it used to look like, and after. The indicators are also 10 times brighter and are sequential. Also, excuse the messy garage. Now you just have to repeat these steps on the other side, and that's it. If you guys are looking to change out your mirror caps, I 100% recommend. I think the end result speaks for itself. Next video we'll be changing out our steering wheel, so stay tuned for that. I got a super lucky pickup off Facebook Marketplace. If you guys did enjoy the video, make sure you leave a like, and if you guys want more content like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button.